What the fuck, bro? My dog, buddy, it's okay. Hey guys, so I found this short horror game. Oh, you can even see a short story by Bodine, or however you say that. It's only a couple weeks old. It's called Take Care of the Dog. It's basically some game where you have to take care of your dog. Something bad will happen. I'm not sure what that is, but we're gonna find out. It says press. Alright, take care of your dog. Walk so freaking slow. There's my dog. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're so cute. What up? Oh, my god, you're giant. Oh. Get the food in the basement. Well, where's the basement? I need help looking for the basement. Oh, this is the basement. Okay. My gosh! This looks like an insane asylum. What kind of basement is this? Dude, this basement is a maze. Oh, there it is. I could have swore. Oh, no. I didn't. Okay. Gosh, why is this... Who built this? Why are there cracks in the walls? I feel that shit. Can I go here? Hey. Sorry, buddy. Why is everything pink? Hey. Play fetch with the dog. Oh, okay. Go along, buddy. Oh, okay. Good boy. Go fetch. Oh my gosh, he's so fast. Jeez. But damn! What the fuck? What? Go along, buddy. Damn. How? Aw. Get the water in the basement. Why is everything in the basement? I don't want to go down the basement. What the fuck? Okay. Why did everything get dark all of a sudden? The water. What the heck is that? I hear keys jingling. Who's in my house? Oh shit. Okay. We got keys. I don't know why. Alright. The music stopped too, so I mean I'm kinda glad because I wanted to turn it down, but I'm kinda nervous now.
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
He is not hungry anymore.
He is not hungry.
What the fuck? What? Dude, what the hell was that? What the f- Who are you? What? Dude, he's a skinwalker, bro. You're not fucking real. Oh my gosh, bro. I knew, bro. I could tell, bro. As soon as we were playing like fetch and this dude was instant teleporting to the fucking like ball and shit. This man's not real. What even is that? Like, what even was that? I couldn't even tell. Okay, so it's... I guess it becomes dark. Like, it looks like it's dawn now. Yeah. The fuck, bro? Okay, so we hear keys jingling. But what's the point of the key? Like, if you look out there. What the fuck, bro? It's like a dude kneeling down. You're not human. You're not human! Oh my gosh. Going back to sleep. I don't know what to do. What's the point of the keys? I'm afraid if I go out, he's gonna chase me.
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
He is not hungry anymore.
Dude, he's chasing me. Dude,
He is not hungry anymore.
what are you? Oh my gosh, you're so freaky, dude. Are you gonna chase me inside? What the fuck? Maybe there's something in the basement. Oh my gosh. We got a whole skinwalker in our fucking backyard. No wonder he was a free dog. You know, when I went to like the adoption center, they just said take him. What's the point of the keys, man? Where is he? He's gone. He's fucking gone. Oh hell no! Fuck this. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. It's... Oh my gosh. What? Oh, I guess we're just gonna go back to sleep. Take care of the dog. What? I forgot to close the doors.
It's time to go to sleep.
Dude, you fucking nightmare. I should lock the doors. The keys. I have the keys. Oh shit. It didn't say that last time, did it? Okay. Going back to sleep now? Okay. What the fuck? The knife downstairs may work. What? Who are you? Oh my gosh, he's in my home, isn't he? Is he gonna be down here? Oh god, please don't tell me that he's down here. Oh, knife.
Hello. How are you?
Oh my god, he's here. He's here. I hear this motherfucker. This skin-walking fuck. Gonna put you down. Once and for all. My dog! Buddy! It's okay. I'll save us. So that's my real dog. Who the fuck is this guy? This is a human! Stay back, you fucking bastard. Motherfucker! Get out of my... I get him? What the hell? What? What? He's going to heaven? What the? It's so beautiful. Bro, is that a fucking belly button? Ew. What? Yay, we did it! What the fuck? The end. The game just closed itself. Oh, fuck. I don't like that. It made like a noise. What the hell, dude? So that was Take Care of the Dog. That was a pretty good game. I liked the whole like retro style to it. It actually like nailed it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I did. That was Take Care of the Dog. I'm pretty sure the creator is gonna make more Take Care games because of the support that he's getting, which honestly he deserves it because of how well the game was made. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.